Hello, I'm Colin from HDCCTV. Please play this video in full 1080p by clicking on the cog in this corner here and then selecting 1080p. This video is about the Xvisions XC1080VVP. This is an IP camera with a 2 megapixel sensor and it gives you full 1080p output. It has an adjustable lens using the two little Allen screws on the front of the camera here that gives you between 23 degrees and 92. Let's have a look at some recordings made using this camera. I attached the camera to the roof bars of my car and took it to a few different locations to try and show you how it performs in different lighting conditions. The recordings were captured onto a laptop running the supplied PC software. As you can see, the picture is very clear and pin sharp and you're able to read number plates and the colour balance is very good. Here you can see me adjusting the varifocal lens. The camera comes supplied with an Allen key and that allows you to choose the viewing angle. You can choose it anywhere between 92 degrees and 23. Here are some recordings taken at night. Under low light conditions, the camera will stay in full colour mode until the threshold point is reached, and then it will automatically switch over to infrared night vision. The camera has Smart IR. Now that will automatically adjust the amount of infrared light given to get you the best possible picture. Okay, now you've seen how it performs, let's look at some more details about the camera. The camera's in three parts. You've got the base plate. This can be mounted on any vertical or horizontal flat surface or sloping surface. That's absolutely fine. You've got the camera module itself, which as you can see is a rounded design, so you can angle it any position you want. And then you've got the locking ring, which is once you've got the camera pointing where you want to, pop that on, line up to the arrows with the one screw, give it a twist, and then lock it in place, and that's it. Now the lens can be adjusted using the two screws on the front here, using the Allen key that comes with the camera, and this allows you to select the angle of view, so you can go as wide as 92 degrees and as narrow as 23 degrees. On the front of the camera is a light sensor. It will automatically switch the camera to night mode when it detects the light levels have dropped. The sensor then switches the infrared lights on, these two LED bulbs here, and you'll get night vision up to 30 metres, as you can see in this video we're just showing here. The most common way to connect the camera up is to use the single Cat5 cable, and this other end of this cable can be connected to a PoE, a power over Ethernet power source. Now if you buy a kit from us, we'll provide that for you, or you may already have your own. You can also use a standard 12 volt power supply if you don't want to buy a PoE switch or injector. So obviously these connections aren't waterproof, so you need to make them weatherproof. You can either put some self-amalgamating tape around it, take it straight through the wall or soft it straight into the dry, or if that's not possible you could mount a weatherproof box next to the camera to house all the connections in there safely. The XC1080VVP is available to buy on our website HDCCTV.co.uk, or you can give us a call on 01952 505 696. Thanks for watching.